कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Umentri rangba ke jela konrak ke sangma haba jingkran ke jingalang play yo monong rim bante ke artificial turf hariang do ulapente bak Sorkar lingba menteri ke transport uba shakler warjri hak santri uram phang ke sapun ku buram ya berok kinong yo khor Takma hak 5th Meghalaya games ke bedang shudap shen hanong ba atura Shushu lo angru bak Sorkar lingba ke transport kan ai Khusnam ru daga song Pisa shaberok kinong yo khor Takma bakkan sapun benaru ekiwe pat kila jingarap Pisa kum ke scholarship ke ban long kum kala jingarap lagi khenna samla ban krishan nyiladi hak kamele kai sport
has been a turning point where today our youth are very much excited about the games. On the 5th of this month, all the medal winners in the Meghalaya Games will be felicitated by our Honorable Minister and myself. We will be giving cash awards to all the medal winners, and we will also be announcing other financial packages in terms of even giving scholarship and different kind of support to the medal winners in the Meghalaya Games. And this is being done to provide that financial support so that they can invest in their games, but also to give them the feeling and their families the feeling that by playing sports, it's not just about spending time playing some game, but actually they will see the real benefit coming out by them allowing their children to play these sports by the fact that once they get medals, they will be getting cash awards and even scholarships in different ways. And hence, this government is doing different policies to ensure that we are able to really push and really promote sports in a big way in the state and in the country as a whole.